me tell you a story on this thing. I saw these stripes on it and I thought it was a 70s.
Competition?
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a
call me because I got those.
Well, anyway, they've been put on. But this bridge is all jacked up on this thing. You can't adjust it. It's been, I don't know, those things are like soldered on there or something.
What are you talking about?
This hotel piece. I mean, I'd like a whole new tailpiece put on. With a wing.
Tell me what's in that guitar?
Kurt Cobain, rest in peace, died April 5th, 1994. Courtney Love did it. We miss you, Kurt. JK, whoever that is.
That's sad.
Yeah, it's real sad.
As good as we can get it.
Okay, now on, if it's too low, I'll give you a screw, an Allen wrench, and you just put them in right here. And that will raise that or turn it.
Yeah.
And these are already preset.
Yeah.
These are notorious for the screws backing out, so I'll put Loctite on them to hold them. If you ever need to move them, they got to be heated a little bit. Take that with you. Be ready to go. Wrap my bill up and I'll get on right. Mikey, he's ready to go. Put a new set of strings in a new bridge. What's the other $50? Okay, pick up that hand pocket short.
Okay. All right. Well, what you think, Paul? You like that one?
Mr. Glass,
Yeah,
how'd your experience turn out today?
pretty good, man. I did some horse trading a while back with amplifiers and come out did a pretty good job on that too. So
Awesome.
they got some nice stuff in here.
Yeah. Your Fender sure did come out nice, man.
Yeah, it come out pretty good.
I really like that Kurt Cobain sticker. That's pretty
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah, that makes it.
Authentic.
Yeah,
Gives
wish
it
it had a
character.
Kurt Cobain signature in it.
Oh man, me. Yeah, buddy.
And
That'd make it worth
then
a
I'd be
lot.
going to the Pawn Stars.
Right.